name's Paul Smith. Our company is called Oil Slick Dispersants, and we manufacture a product called Super Dispersant 25. Super Dispersant 25 works by emulsifying the oil which is on the surface of the seawater, turning it into tiny droplets, which provide such a high surface area of contact that marine life, especially microbiological marine life, can access the crude oil as a food source. The waves on the sea act as a motion which helps this emulsification process. Super Dispersant 25 can be applied from the air by aerial spraying in its concentrated form, undiluted, or it may be used in a diluted form, 1 part dispersant, 9 parts seawater. It all becomes part of the food chain. Super Dispersant 25 has been approved by the UK government agency responsible for these products and the French government agency responsible for these products. The French approval and the UK government approval are acknowledged worldwide, which has allowed us to sell our products globally. They have to meet a certain efficacy. A certain amount of dispersant has to disperse a fixed amount of oil in order to receive an approval. With time, with some products, there's chemical decomposition within the product which makes it less efficient in dispersing the oil. In the UK, for instance, the Marine Coast Guard Agency has a stockpile of dispersant at various locations around the UK, and the biggest proportion of dispersant that they hold in their stockpile is Super Dispersant 25. What makes Super Dispersant 25 a fantastic oil slick dispersant is the fact that it's made from materials which are commonly found in food products, such as like mayonnaise, which help to emulsify the oil and the fat, mayonnaise or ice cream, or these kinds of materials which are very friendly to the environment, and they actually provide a food source to the bugs as well as dispersing the oil. It's a safer product than a kerosene-based material, and it's non-flammable. If we take some water and apply a small layer of fuel oil from a ship onto the water, you would see the layer of oil on top of the water. And if we shake it, it will disperse, but then it will come back together. The two phases will separate once again. You have the oil on top of the water. But if we add some Super Dispersant 25 and shake it, we have an instantly stable emulsion. It's as quick as that. Dispersants are the best first-line defense against oil spills. The bird life doesn't get coated in oil. The oil doesn't come ashore and coat the rocks and the plant life. So the fastest way to contain it is to try and boom and skim the oil, but then also to try and disperse it and create the emulsion, which the sea can then help itself.